Hi, irrespective of who we are, for all of us to thrive and survive in the global village that we all operate in, it becomes very, very important for us to have a very strong communication skill. Especially in a business context, in the corporate world, it becomes that much more important. But what is it at the end of the day when you say communication, business English, speak fluently? What does it mean at the end of the day? It actually begins with some very, very simple steps of reading, enhancing your vocabulary, and speaking with confidence, and practicing it day in and day out so that you become a very powerful communicator. And this set of videos from me, it's called Fluently, does just this. It gives you 2 to 3 minute short video clips which you can learn on the go. And each of the clip deals with several different English expressions, idioms, phrases, new words that will really expand your vocabulary and make you a powerful communicator. So go on and see if you'd like to subscribe to this channel and learn on the go English easily and effectively. Thank you.